Hi friends, good morning. This is Srikanth. Today I will explain about CROSSJOIN DAX function in Power BI Desktop. See this here. This is CROSSJOIN DAX function syntax. Okay. Let's check this DAX function in Power BI Desktop. See this here. I'm already prepared two tables. Table 1 is IDs and table 2 is grades. Okay. See this here. Now I'm write a measure CROSSJOIN. Go to modeling and click new table. Okay, now my table name writing CROSSJOIN. Okay, now I am typing CROSSJOIN. Once you read this, returns a table that is a CROSSJOIN of the specified tables. Okay, press enter. Now I am adding my grades table and next one is IDs table. Okay, close this parenthesis. See this here, CROSSJOIN is a function name and grades. See this here, this is my grades table, added IDs table. Okay, let's check this DAX function. See this here, it's automatically created new table. The table name is CROSSJOIN. Okay, see this here. Okay, this is CROSSJOIN DAX function in Power BI Desktop.